Here I've got OnePlus 8 and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So at first you have to open the camera app. And here you will notice timer icon, so just click once and then select the period of time. And I chose 10 seconds, so as you can see the picture will be taken with 10 seconds delay. Obviously you can pick 5 or 2 seconds, whichever you need or prefer. And that's it, the picture has been grabbed after 10 seconds. Then you can turn the timer off just by tapping on the timer icon and tap on off. As you can see, now the picture is grabbed right after the click. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.